Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Stephen McGovern. I'm a born and raised Yukoner. I've traveled all across Canada, but today I'm very excited to go up the Dempster to check out the Arctic Circle. It's been a lifelong dream of mine. But if you're gonna do that, you gotta make sure you bring your sleeping bag, your first aid kit, and of course, a trusty old jerry can. So what do you say we load up, head up the highway, and see what we find? So we have just arrived at the Dempster Highway Junction where it meets the North Klondike Highway. We got some much needed rest in Dawson last night, but we're ready to go 405 kilometers up the road to the Arctic Circle, although the highway itself goes 741 kilometers up to Inuvik. This is one of the best times of the year because the fall colors are absolutely gorgeous. I hope you enjoy the ride. We got all the way to the Arctic Circle. Thank you so much for riding shotgun on this gorgeous drive up the Dempster Highway. We're thinking about heading north to Inuvik, but we're gonna save that trip for another day. We hope you can make this drive too because it is absolutely worth it. We'll see you down the road.